Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious oven baked jollof rice. This right here tastes really good. For this recipe, I used turkey. So first, I'm going to parboil my protein. First, I added some chopped onions. Next, I'll add some dried rosemary, some oregano seasoning, non-aromat seasoning, some garlic granules, some ginger powder, chicken seasoning, dried parsley, bay leaves, bouillon cubes, some salt. Four tablespoons of tomato paste, fresh garlic and ginger, for this recipe I use 1 red bell pepper, 3 fresh tomatoes, 1 green bell pepper, 1 long bell pepper, one onion, I will transfer into a baking tray, drizzle some vegetable oil on the vegetables to prevent burning, and then I'll pop it into my preheated oven. This is how it looks like after roasting for 15 minutes, guys. Next, I'll transfer into a blender. Blend until smooth. After cooking for 40 minutes, guys, my meat is very soft right now. Next, I will transfer into my air fryer. In a pan, I'll add some vegetable oil, add some chopped onions, add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, Fry for 15 to 20 minutes. So how you know your tomato paste is done is when you don't get to see the red vibrant color of the tomato paste anymore. Then you know that your tomato paste is ready, like it's done, it's well cooked. So as you can see right now, guys, my tomato paste is ready. It's not as red as it was prior to when I started frying it. So you can see that it's a little bit darker now. This is how you know your tomato paste is ready, you know, it's done, like well cooked. So I will transfer into my baking dish, add the blended tomatoes. For this recipe, I use 3 cups of basmati rice. I rinsed it off camera. I rinsed it until the water becomes very clear. Next, I will add the rice. I will stir that nicely until well combined. Next, I will add my turkey broth. Just so you know, I used 2 cups of turkey broth. Next, I will add some seasoning cubes. I used Maggi cube and Knorr cube. Some curry powder, half tablespoon of salt, 2 bay leaves, half cup of water, Next, I will cover with a kitchen foil and pop into my oven. After baking for 25 minutes, guys, I brought it out from the oven. I will add some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, and 2 spoonfuls of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter. Salted butter is my favorite, okay? So I'll cover with a kitchen foil and then put it back in the oven. You guys, my rice is ready. Just look at that, guys. Just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The rice is ready. I cooked the rice in the oven for 45 minutes, just so you know. So after 45 minutes, guys, my rice is ready. Tasted amazing. So guys, this right here is a must try, okay? If you are a fan of jollof rice, like you love jollof rice like me, because I am a fan of jollof rice, I absolutely love jollof rice. If you love jollof rice like me, just try this method. This is very easy. It's easy peasy, okay? Very easy to prepare. If you use all the ingredients I use, 45 minutes max, guys, you are done cooking. All you have to do is to pop it in the oven and just go and relax. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching up until this point. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, okay, so that when I start uploading another video, you would be the first to be notified or prompted. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.